Rain lashes against the window of Lena's room, mirroring the grayness that has seeped into her spirit. The once vibrant colors of Lena's paintings fade under the oppressive light, each stroke now a reminder of lost joy. A hidden shimmer calls to her from the darkness beneath the bed, a brush of untold magic. Lena holds the brush aloft, its captured galaxy swirling in her hand, a strange sense of wonder filling her gaze. Lena, consumed by curiosity, tentatively dips her brush into a jar of watercolor paint. With a delicate stroke, she paints a red ball onto the blank page. The ball leaps from the page, solid and real, showering the room with golden dust. Lena locks the door, a mischievous grin spreading across her face. She begins painting a feast of sweets, a kite that dances in the air, and other fantastical creations, all springing to life. Lena sits amidst the vibrant chaos of her art studio, surrounded by canvases and sculptures, yet her face betrays a deep frustration. She dips her brush into the vibrant paint, seeking to capture the pure innocence of a puppy, but the colors remain stubbornly dull and lifeless. Disheartened by the unyielding colors, she abandons the canvas. Why won't you work? She tries again, envisioning a bicycle wheel spinning freely in the wind, but the image on the canvas remains stubbornly lifeless. Defeated, Lena's shoulders slump as she whispers, "I should have shared you." In the village street, Lena watches Tommy share his toys with other children, a moment of pure generosity. Tommy kneels to help a little girl, revealing a depth of kindness that touches Lena's heart. A spark ignites within Lena as she understands the true joy of sharing and connection. Lena finds Tommy, the brush hidden behind her back, and says, "Tommy, I want to share this with you." Together, in an empty field, Lena and Tommy stand side by side, a magical brush glowing between them. Lena paints a slide as Tommy conjures swings, their creations bursting into life. A merry-go-round and a trampoline appear, the brush blazing with vibrant colors. "Sharing makes things better," Lena exclaims, her voice filled with joy. "Way better," Tommy replies, his laughter echoing through the newly created playground. That night, Lena gently places the glowing brush in a box labeled, "For sharing only."